Hello guys, welcome to the Algebra episode. Today we are looking at this problem. We have to solve x plus 5 all factorial on x plus 1 all factorial, which is equal to 360. Okay, now we know that x plus 5 factorial is the same as x plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 3, x plus 2, then x plus 1 on x plus 1 of factorial. Okay, which is equal to 360. You know that from here, this we cancel this. So leaving x plus 5, x plus 4, x plus 3, and x plus 2 is equal to 360. So now we can multiply this by this, then this by this. So with this, we're having x plus 5, x plus 2, multiplied by x plus 4, x plus 3, which is equal to 360. So now, you know that x plus x times x is x squared. We have x squared, then plus 2x plus 5x plus 5x plus 10. And this place will give us x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 12, which is equal to 360. Okay, so now when you put this together, we have x squared. This and this will give us plus 7x plus 10. This here to x squared plus 7x plus 12, okay, which is equal to 360. So now, with this, we can say that x squared plus 7x, okay, plus, so this 10 we can write it as 10 plus 1 minus 1, okay, into bracket x squared plus 7x plus this one too, we can make it 11 minus, okay, so 12, it will be 11 plus 1, which is equal to 360. Okay, so with this, you can see that we are going to get x squared plus 7x. This will give us plus 11, okay, minus 1. So this minus 1, it will make this whole thing looks like x squared plus 7x plus 10, okay? So we create and destroy. So this here is the same as the 10, okay? To bracket. Then we have x squared plus 7x plus 11 plus 1 is equal to 360. Now, this, you see that we are having this 10 here. Okay, x squared plus 7x plus 11 is the same as x squared plus 7x plus 11 here. Okay, so we say that let u is equal to x squared plus 7x plus 11. Okay, so in this case, you can say that u for here, u minus 1 to bracket, and this can say that u plus 1, okay, is equal to 360. Having u minus 1, u plus 1 is equal to 360. Okay, so now you can say that in indices we have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b which brackets a minus b. Okay, it's algebra. So this year the same as the we call it differences of two squares. Okay, so we can rewrite this as u squared minus 1 squared, okay, which is equal to 360. Okay, so 1 squared is the same as 1, so we have u squared minus 1 is equal to 360. Okay, so we can say that u squared is equal to 360 plus 1. So we have u squared is equal to 361. Okay, so we take square root of both sides. So this one will take on this. So we have u is equal to, then 361, square root of 361 is plus or minus 19. Okay, plus or minus 19. So we say that our u was x squared plus 7x plus 11. This is what we stated. So we say that now x squared plus 7x plus 11 is equal to plus or minus 19. Okay, so it means that we are having two cases here. One, we have x squared plus 7x plus 11 is equal to 19, and the other one, we have x squared plus 7x plus 11 is equal to negative 90. Okay, so this, we say that x squared plus 7x, okay, plus 11 minus 19 is equal to 0. So now we have x squared plus 7x to be 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we are looking for a discriminant that will give us rare solutions. Okay, so let's now reduce these two. So we have x squared plus 7x plus 11 plus 19 is equal to 0. So we have x squared plus 7x. Okay, and this will give us 30, which is equal to 0. So taking the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, then that our b, which is 7. So 7 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c, which is negative 8. 7 squared, which is 49. Then this here is giving us 32. Okay, so with this, get 49 plus 32, which is 81. Okay, and 81 is greater than 0. So we have real solutions here. Let's complete this too. Okay, so now with this, our discriminant b, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac, you have 7 squared minus 1 multiplied by 30. So we have 49 minus 120, okay, which is less than 0. Okay, so you can see that our discriminant here to be less than 0. So we say that it has no real solution. So in this case, we reject this. So it means that we are going to work with this, which is x squared plus 7x plus 11 equal to 19. Okay. So this is what we are going to work with. We know that x squared plus 7x plus, so 11 minus 19 is equal to 0. So we have x squared plus 7x minus 8 is equal to 0. So now, with this, we can say that x squared, using factorization method, we have x squared plus, okay, 8x minus x minus 8 is equal to 0. So with this, we can say that x squared, okay, plus 8x minus x, okay, plus 8 is equal to 0. So here we have x out, x plus 8 minus 1, x plus 8 is equal to 0. We have x minus 1, x plus 8 is equal to 0. We say that x minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 8 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 1. And here we have x is equal to negative 8. Okay. So now we can say that our solution for the system is s is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 8. Okay. Now let's check to see where the real solution lies between x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 8. Okay, so we will check. So we are having x plus 5 or factorial on x plus 1 or factorial is equal to 360. So when x is equal to 1, so that is when x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, we have 1 plus 5 all factorial on 1 plus 1 all factorial, which should be equal to 360. Okay, now 1 plus 5 is 6, so we have 6 factorial. 1 plus 1 is 2, which is 2 factorial is equal to 360. Okay, now so 6 factorial the same as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 on 2 times 1, okay, which is equal to, should be equal to 360. Okay, so now with this, I can cancel this. Okay, so leaving 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 is should be equal to 360. 6 times 5 is 30 times 4 times 3 is 12. And this should be equal to 360. So 30 times 12 is 360, which is equal to 360. X should be greater or equal to 0. And with this, you can see that S is less than 0. So it means that the solution, final answer, is X is equal to 1, because -8 cannot be the answer for X. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting questions.